Hello there, YouTubers. By now, if you've been watching all the other videos, you should have a topic picked out for your video channel. You should have a channel name, and you should be ready to go. This video, I wanted to do a little bit about lighting. I'm sure you've seen videos on YouTube where the lighting is really dim, you can't see what's going on, and it gives it a very unprofessional appearance. So I've put together a little video sequence on three-point lighting, which I think if you watch it, it will give you a lot better insight into how to light your set so that your videos come out a lot more professional. So stick around and watch this. Hello my YouTube friends, it's me, your old buddy Magnum over at Magnum Videos. Today we're going to take a look at three-point lighting. Now this is a technique that has been used for decades by filmmakers, and we're going to take a look at it and break it down and show you the results that you can get. So if that's something of interest to you, I hope you'll stick around. I'm glad you stuck around. What you're looking at now is a sequence that's been filmed with three-point lighting. I have a key light that is a short distance away and it illuminates one side of my face. I have a fill light that is on the opposite side and is about twice as far as the key light. And I also have what's called a hair light or a backlight that is behind me at a higher angle and shining down, which illuminates the backside and gives some contour to the subject. Now we're going to look at what happens if we turn off the fill light and the hair light. So stick around while I make that change. Okay, at this point all we have is the key light. Now as you can see, this side is not illuminated very well, and there's nothing shining on my shoulder or the back of my head. So let's switch it around and just put the hair light on. At this point, we have only the hair light. The fill light is off, the key light is off. Now, as you can see, I am illuminated from the back side. So this could be very handy if you had a situation where your background was a sunset or a sunrise or a light coming in at the end of a dark alley that was lighting up the back of you. So let's turn on the fill light and see what difference that makes. At this point we have only the hair light and the fill light. The key light is still off. So you can see that it does add a little bit of illumination to the front, but it's not as well lit as with all three lighting sources. So let's go back and turn everything on and get the whole effect of the three-point lighting. Now we're back where we started. We've got our key light, our fill light, and our hair light. This can give you probably the best lighting setup to make it look natural and illuminate your subject properly. So I hope that's been helpful, and until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused. And there you have it. I hope that's some help. I hope you will subscribe to this new channel. I hope you will like this video and share it with others. And until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.